This is the classic smoke to glass reinvented. Tornado is not just any smoke device, but this has specifically been designed to blend in with your deck of cards. So you add the gimmick to your own deck, perform your everyday card magic, and you're ready to go to blow them away. Perform the classic smoke to glass as never done before. For the first time, it's practical, very easy to do, very convenient, and the smoke is under your 100% control at all times. Tornado is not only designed to do the classic smoke to glass effect, but it is created to elevate your everyday card magic. Use it to change cards, to reveal cards, or use the tornado gimmick in your favorite haunted deck routine.